Vlogmas day 1. So we are attempting this. I am making absolutely no promises, but I really am going to try and upload a video every single day. So I'm doing it in a way where I'm just gonna post a video every single day in December leading up to Christmas, but it's not always gonna be a vlog. So you guys probably saw my first video was actually not related at all. I was like, well, I vlogged this and I wanna upload it. So that was technically my first post of the month, but I am still going to be vlogging as much as I can. So it is currently 9 a.m. I just made myself my drink I make every morning. I just take a full blender bottle. This is about, why am I suddenly blind? Knock on wood. This is about 22 ounces of water in my Sierra blender bottle. And I have a hydration stick. So just one of these bad boys. You guys can always save with my name, Lauren, at checkout. And you can also use my link. So I'll put that in the description box, and anything I talk about, I will try and link in the description box. Just know, since I am going to be posting so frequently, the links might come a little bit later after I post the video, so you can always come back and check. But I just drink this every morning to hydrate myself. I've been up since like 8:15. So my boyfriend is currently on a run, and I'm just here with Bailey. So we are about to kick off work. Work is gonna look a lot different this month since I'm going to be posting every day. So the majority of my month for December is going to be editing. And I think this will be good for me because I love filming, and I film so much content. A lot of it never even makes it to YouTube because I take so long to edit it, and then I feel like it's so behind. So like, you guys are gonna see my LA vlog during Vlogmas. That was really, really fun. Hoping to go back in February to visit, but yeah, you'll see some just random stuff sprinkled in. But if there's anything you wanna see in particular, let me know. There's a lot of events in Atlanta during the holidays, so I'm gonna try and go to some fun stuff to get some content for you guys. But it is Wednesday, so I don't really have any client stuff to do. I'm just gonna work on my membership site. So I've started doing like these sort of wellness challenges on my Instagram where I just post a reel and I say some goals I wanna do. So I'm gonna be linking that with my site this month, and I'm going to be adding daily affirmations. Hopefully in the future have some journal prompts. And yeah, so I'm like fully dressed, like ready to go. I did my makeup. So these are my brows. What do we think? There's nothing on them besides the got-to-be glue. Like, I just put it on and then I spoolie it and we're done. So I'm continuing to kind of like let them grow out a little bit, but let me know what you think. I don't think it looks too ridiculous when I'm wearing like contour, a little blush, and highlight. I don't know. Feel free to be brutal in the comments because I've had my eyebrows just like penciled in for so many years and I love them. So this is definitely a change for me. But if you have any tips, any brow products, let a girl know because I don't know what I'm doing. I am currently exporting a video, so I'm going to be vlogging on my phone, but I'm just about to go train a client. I might film like one video for like an Instagram reel or something, so I just put some clothes on. Don't mind this. We're doing laundry. So I just got the Lulu Align short on, and then I actually parted my hair to the side. I thought we would switch it up a little bit, but I'm really excited for later because we're gonna go ice skating. So I thought I'd take you guys through my client's workout. So I'm not gonna tell you rep ranges or anything like that because obviously this is individualized for her, but we start off with abs. So we do some Russian twists with the 25-pound plate. She's one of the strongest cores I've ever seen. Then we do some leg lifts, and then we started doing some glute exercises. So we did the reverse hyper, or the hyper extension, back extensions, whatever you want to call it. They're all kind of the same, but we use the actual machine at the gym. And then we did some sumo squats, and we did Romanian deadlifts, but we actually adjust them for her because of the way that her feet turn out naturally. It's actually better for her to keep her heels together, and it helps activate her glutes and her hamstrings more. So that's why you'll see her doing it like that. And then we also did some hip abductions, but I did not record that. We got some tacos from Tin Lizzie's. So I get the fajita one with the corn tortillas. So I just uploaded my first, I guess, unofficial Vlogmas vlog because it is not related to Vlogmas, but it's going up on December 1st. So I've kind of already like thrown it out of whack because the first two videos are not going to be even related to Vlogmas, but I was like, I want to post these videos. So we're just kind of doing a post an everyday thing anyways, but I want to show you guys my ice skating fit. So here's to hoping that the ice machine is not broken this time. It's a lot warmer today than it was last weekend. So last weekend, I think it was like 35 degrees. Now it's like 45. So I've got on the same top that I just wore to the gym, just a long sleeve. I've got the same Aligns underneath these mom jeans that are from Shein. I know they're so wrinkled. It's atrocious, but it is what it is. This sweater's from Shein, and I have my little earmuffs. So for those of you who did not see that last video, obviously, I have to put the earmuffs on for the people. It would be wrong. What am I doing? It would be, Lauren, use your tripod. I promise during Vlogmas that you will actually see me use my tripod more. I gotta show the people who don't know my obnoxiously large earmuffs. Like, these are huge. I'm like, how do I even like make these look cute? Of course, I just changed my hair into like a side part. It probably would have looked better with the middle part, but they are massive. I'll link them down below if you want more mirrors. Cause like the ones that I was looking for when we went looking, we found like one pair in Target, and it's just the ones that like wrap around the back, but then you have to put them like under your neck, and I don't know, I just think they look weird, and like I'm not running, so it doesn't really make sense. So I literally feel like I'm in some sort of Winter Wonderland ABC Family movie, but I'm gonna bring them. I don't know if I'm gonna need them, but once I get on the ice, it's definitely gonna be a lot colder, so I thought bring them along. I got some extra batteries so that my camera doesn't die. And we're gonna get boba, right? Yes. If it's open. What time is it? 7:27, so it's 7:30. But yeah, he wanted to get boba, so we're gonna do that. And we're going to the one at Atlantic Station. So there's one at Atlantic Station and there's one in Colony Square in Midtown. If anyone knows the vibe of that area, can someone explain it to me? Because I feel like whenever I hear of Midtown, now I hear of Colony Square. So I'm like, is this a new gentrified part of Midtown? Like, what's going on here, and why is everything being held at this little area? I don't know. So if you know the vibes, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, this is the fit. And I'm just gonna throw on a random pair of shoes because I'm gonna put the ice skates on, obviously. And I have an extra pair of fuzzy socks in my car. Using these. I got my hot cider. We got some popcorn. We're chilling with our shoes on. It's really hard, but it's been fun so far. So we just got back. It is now 10 p.m. Neither of us fell, so it was a success. Bailey's got froggy. You got froggy, buddy? Yeah. We didn't end up getting boba, but that's okay. We do have some Diet Coke. We love our soda here. I blame myself, honestly. I think I'm the one who started this little thing, but it's so good. Anyways, it was really, really fun. I highly recommend it. The rink was actually pretty big. So like when you're looking from the street, it almost looks like it's kind of like a squiggly or something, but it is just a regular ice rink. It just has like the trees and stuff in between it. So that was really nice. The ice got super cut up. I mean, the rink's been open all day long. I don't know how often they take the little Zamboni thing through there, but we stayed for about, I'm gonna say like an hour and a half, and I really enjoyed it, and it wasn't cold. Like when I have gone ice skating in the past, I'm always in an ice rink, so it's always so much colder, but it was actually pretty, like, decently mild out. Alexa, what is the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 57 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah, so it's warm outside.
It's set to low at 45 degrees.
Yeah,
Have a good night.
it's pretty warm outside. It was like a little bit windy, but besides that, it was fine. I didn't have to use my earmuffs or my gloves or anything. So if you can go during one of the milder days, I would definitely check it out. It was pretty cold when we initially went to go. The night we ended up going to see House of Gucci, which also, I don't think I mentioned, was amazing. Highly recommend seeing that. Same with the Eternals. That was also really good. But yeah, I'm glad it was so much milder because it's definitely more enjoyable when you're not like freezing. I got my cider. We have popcorn. They also had lots of snacks. You could also spike your cider. They also had hot chocolate. You could spike the hot chocolate. So I don't know what they have at the Colony Square one. I'm sure there's more information online, but the Atlantic Station one I thought was a lot better. And the parking's free if you stay under 2 hours because it's kind of set up for like the movie theater. But we're just gonna chill and get ready for bed.